Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to display Happy Independence Day using while loop. So let's see how this can be written using C program. Here I am writing the program to display Happy Independence Day 75 times. It's because it is the 75th Independence Day of our India. So I want to write a program on this occasion. Okay, so has include stdio.h, where has include stands for preprocessor directive and stdio.h stands for standard input output header file. This header file contains printf and scanf function so that I can use these functions inside the program. Okay, now void main is the function from which program execution starts. So then I'm declaring a variable int I is equal to 1. So I'm assigning 1 to the variable I. So now I'm using while loop while I less than equal to 75. I less than equal to 75, that is, this is the condition. Then printf within double quotation, I'm writing /t Happy Independence Day, bracket and semicolon. I plus plus, the value of I will be incremented after each execution, after the display of this printf statement. Then while loop complete, main function complete. Okay, so let's see how this program will execute. Initially, the value of I is 1. Again, within the while loop, the condition is I less than equal to 75. Then next, the print statement will print Happy Independence Day. Okay, so I less than equal to 75 means 1 less than equal to 75. This condition will be checked. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. This expression will be evaluated. Okay, so 1 less than equal to 75. This is true or false? This is true. So this is true. As it is true, the printf statement will print Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Again, the I value will be incremented. So I value will be 2. So then within the while loop, 2 will be checked with 75. So 2 less than equal to 75. So whether it is true or not, yes, it is true because 2 is less than 75. This is true. If this is true, the statement inside the while loop will be executed. So Happy Independence Day will be printed. Then I plus plus, the value of I will be incremented. So I value will be incremented to 3. Again, 3 will be checked with 75, whether it is true or false. If it is true, then this statement will be executed. So Happy Independence Day will be printed. Then I value will be incremented to 4. So 3 will become 4. Okay, so 4 is less than equal to 75. Is it true? Yes, it is true. It is also true. So the statement Happy Independence Day will be displayed. Okay, so in this way, for the value of I equal to 75, it will be checked 75 less than equal to 75. Is it true? Is it true? Yes, it is true. 75 is equal to 75. That means the condition is true. Then this will be printed, that is Happy Independence Day. Then I value will be incremented to 1, I plus plus. So 76. 76 will be checked with 75. And this finally this condition is false. If this condition is false, the control goes out of the loop. So already Happy Independence Day have been printed 75 times till now. Okay, so let's see in my dev C++ editor how this program is written and how the program gives us the output. So let's see. Here I am opening the dev C++ editor, Control N. Now I'm writing the program as include stdio.h, next void main, next opening curly bracket, int I equal to 1 semicolon, while I less than equal to 75. Okay, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket, printf within double quotation, happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Okay, semicolon, next I plus plus semicolon. So now my program is complete. Let's execute it and see what is the output. So before that, I'm using /t so that it will make a space within each statement. Okay. So I'm compiling it. When I will compile it, it will ask me to save the program. So here I'm changing the source file to C source files with the .c extension. Now, yes, you can see the program. Happy Independence Day, Happy Independence Day, Happy Independence Day. So this is okay. So each time it has been printed 75 times in the output, 75 times. Okay, so in this way you can print anything by using while loop. So on the eve of Independence Day, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. So thanks for watching.